Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is Nasib Hassan and you are welcome to my channel Nasib IT. Friends, today in this video I'll show you how to convert a black and white picture to a colorful picture easily by using AI. So let's start the video. So friends, at first we have to open the browser. So I am opening the Chrome browser from my PC. After opening the browser, we have to click on the search box, then we have to type here runway. Then we have to click on the enter. Then we have to open this website from here. Then we have to click on the try runway for free. Then we have to click on the sign up with Google. After that we have to select the Gmail account from here. Then we have to click on the skip button. After sign up in this website we have to click on the edit image. Then we have to select this AI tool from here. Then we have to click on the upload here. Then we have to select the image which we want to convert a colorful picture. After open the image, we have to click on the colorize. Then we have to wait for some time. After colorize the picture, we have to download this picture. To download this, we have to click on here. After download this picture, we have to close the browser. Now here you can see the final result. So friends, if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.